Carlo earlier was saying about, respecting blog marketing as an art or as a science, di ba? In learning. Kasi in the long run, ikaw naman yung magbe-benefit. For example, bloggers can really learn about advertising. So, you can read some of my favorite reads. Free na lang siya, sige, sa internet. Try reading Adobo Magazine to know more about the local ad industry, or advertisingage.com to learn more about advertising, or maybe read one of my favorite marketing authors, si Seth Godin, kasi sobrang no BS, sobrang no scientific stuff, parang easy to digest marketing idea, advertising idea. So go read him. If you've read him, try siguro Purple Cow or Free Price Inside. Din yung mga stuff na okay sa kanya. Kasi it's really easy to digest and you won't parang have a hard time reading it. Or to the future of long-term partnership. Again, Carlo stressed this naman earlier. Whatever it is, it's kailangan, iniisip mo, are you in for the long haul? So it's really again about clarity. Who do you want to be? How do you see your brand in the next 5 years? How do you see your blog in the next 5 years? Ano bang gusto mong gawin sa blog mo? So you really have to answer those questions. And answering those questions, you really think about it. If you're ready to, for the big move, are you really ready to work with advertisers? Mike, I think, mentioned earlier about the haters, diba, on the internet. If you really want to work with advertisers, you have to transform that negativity into something more positive and constructive. So instead of doing rants and rage on your blog, try doing constructive and actionable feedback. Kasi magre-reklamo ka, anong gagawin ng advertiser? Ano yung pwede nilang gawin? Kasi yun naman yung mindset nila. What can I do better? Always think of it that way. So, and also, are you ready from moving to new media? Kasi yun naman ang tingin ng advertisers. Bloggers are, the new media, the new journalists, long-term partnerships with the advertisers. Are you really ready for that? So, it's really worth thinking about. And the fourth mindset is really fulfilling commitments. Ito yung dito na nagkakatalo yung advertisers and bloggers, diba? Kasi there are in the survey that I did, parang dito nagkaka-problem, nagkaka-concerns kasi kung dito lahat ng action. So, are you really delivering on what you promised to the advertisers? Or advertisers, are you really delivering what you promised to the bloggers? That I would parang think about or learn about would be yung number one is alignment. Before anything, just, discuss and agree with the advertiser. Ano ba yung exactly gusto nilang gawin? And then formalize. So, para to protect yourself as well. Second, branding. Diba? I told you na exposure ang namahanap eh. And, they tap blogs to give exposure to their product and brand. So, branding is also important for them. So, at the end of the day, advertising is a business. So, really, kailangan din numero. They're really concerned about, the success measures and, does it really work? So, first, simple thing that you can do is really give them a reasonable and logical, sound reason why they should advertise with you, why they should partner with you. So, it could be as simple as showing them what kind of readers do I have, what kind of blog site do I have. So, para clear sa kanila, this is the kind of people I will reach when I tap into your blog. And at the same time, if kunwari, kumagat niya yung advertiser sa'yo, sige, gawa tayong campaign. So, it's all about really building successful case studies. So, kung kaya ng powers mo, it would really be nice to have a post-mortem report. So, post-mortem report, I know it sounds parang tedious, pero it's really just showing them na ito yung results nung ginawa natin ng campaign. And at the same time, of course, you as a blogger have your own learning. So, you can also put your insights and learnings para naman they learn from the experience. Na ito yung, kasi the advertisers, you have to kind of talk with their language. So, sasabayan mo ng pacing kahit pa paano. Parang, okay, parang Is there, may patutunguhan ba to? So, what I discovered then through my survey, at the end of the day, bloggers and advertisers, they have one single goal. It's to ultimately communicate with people, to connect with like-minded people, as bloggers would say, and advertisers naman, to connect with their consumers.